Welcome! In front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to change device name on this laptop. To do it, you have to first open the Start menu, then go to Settings, select System, and scroll down to About section. Then select Rename this PC and enter a new name for your laptop without spaces. For example, once you're done, click Next. And then you can either apply changes now by clicking Restart Now and wait until your device is restarted, or do it later by clicking Restart Later and restarting your computer once you finish your work on it. So let's restart the laptop by selecting the power options and going with Restart. Wait until your device is restarted. Once your device is restarted, you can go back to Settings and see if the changes applied. And as you can see, they did. Here is the new name of this laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.